We have some exciting news and we've made some big changes. Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Destination Hoppers. If you've been with my channel in the past, you've seen a change not only in our name, but in the type of videos we do too. This used to be a crafting channel, and I'll still incorporate some crafting, crochet, and quilting, but we're making a shift. We are now a full-time RV family. Every Thursday we will have RV tips, tricks, and DIYs, as well as different destinations we go to, and share what it's like to be a full-time RV family living in an RV, especially like sitting on the side of a road doing a video, and especially as newbies. Here's a little clip of what happened today as a newbie mistake. I'm sure you'll enjoy, and you can totally empathize with us.
One of our RV newbie mistakes. We obviously didn't have enough of the DEF into our diesel truck, and so now we're sitting on the side of the road. My husband's on the phone to a dealership. We're at a gas station trying to figure out, so we put like 2 gallons in and the low light is still on, so newbie mistake. I don't even know what number at this point.
So I certainly don't want you to miss any videos, so be sure to click the subscribe button with the bell and like this video so you'll be sure to be included in every post and story. So why the change? Well, this year we decided to change the atypical American dream of more house, cars, stuff, and just more. Pretty soon all the stuff just takes over. If you have stuff taking over in your life, comment stuff in the comment below. We decided that we wanted to be more than just a family by name. We had a huge house, over 3,500 square feet, and we barely saw each other, mostly just at meals. So we took a step back and realized that after raising 4 kids and our last daughter at home, we had little to no memories to show for it. Time was just gone, and it was very upsetting and sad, to be honest with you. With work, school, after-school games, and homework, life had just simply taken over. If you're there or you've been there, comment life in the comments below. The RV movement is growing so fast every year. According to the Washington Post, there's 1 million RV families, and that post was back in 2018. So we took the leap, and we decided to take our lives and our time back and put our house on the market, and we changed our atypical dream for a new path. We honestly are happier and healthier as a family unit now in our RV. We're just not called a family by name anymore. If you've been there and you're craving more family time for you and your family, comment family in the comments below. So if you're planning or hoping to embark on this journey, or if you're already on the road, I'd love to connect with you. So please comment below and share this video. Oh, be sure to check out our Instagram page where we'll be asking you about what you'd like to learn and what questions you may have about this RV life. We want to come alongside you in this journey, whatever path you're on. We're not experts, but that's what makes the journey exciting, right? I just want to encourage you to be brave and bold and choose your own path.